In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a part payment in Xero using Find and Match. We'll start on the Xero dashboard and head into Bank Reconciliation. Click Reconcile to open the bank account you want to work with. This takes you to the reconciliation screen, where you'll see your statement lines on the left and the tools you'll use to match them on the right. Make sure you're in the correct bank account before you continue. Next, locate the statement line that represents the part payment you received or paid. Check the date, description, and amount so you're certain you've got the right one. Accuracy here matters because you'll be matching this bank line to an existing invoice or bill. Open the matching panel by clicking Match. Xero's Find and Match drawer appears, listing invoices, bills, and transactions you can match to this bank line. If you have a lot of items, you can refine by contact name, reference, or amount to narrow the list. Select the related invoice or bill by ticking its checkbox. You'll notice the selected item's total may not equal the bank line because we're dealing with a part payment. That's expected. To handle that difference correctly, click Split. This lets you record just the amount that actually came through the bank while leaving the remaining balance outstanding on the invoice or bill. In the split field, enter the exact part. Payment amount shown on the bank line. Double check the number and the sign. Receipts should be positive. Payments should be negative if Xero displays them that way in your org. Matching the direction and amount precisely avoids reconciliation errors. When you're happy with the figure, click Split to apply it. You should now see the matched total equal the statement line amount. Xero will automatically leave the unpaid balance on that invoice or bill to be settled later, which keeps your accounts accurate and your aging reports tidy. Finish by clicking Reconcile. This posts the part payment against the selected invoice or bill and clears the bank statement line. After reconciling, the invoice will show a payment history with the partial amount applied and an outstanding balance remaining, ready for the next payment. A few quick tips as you work. Always confirm you are matching the correct contact and document number. Watch for currency differences if you use multi-currency, and if you select the wrong item, simply untick it and choose the right one before you split. That's all there is to it. Using Find and Match makes reconciling part payments fast, clear, and accurate.